Well, hello and welcome back to another edition of Rocket's Junk. And today we're going to take a look at these very nice vintage Swiss leather gaiters. These are World War II dated. If you can see the year 41. I don't know if that's a lot number on top. There's the Swiss proof mark. And Kaiser, I think, is the manufacturer. Bern is a town in Switzerland. And funny thing, I saw these in a surplus catalog that I get regularly, and they were misidentified as being U.S. government issue, when in fact these are Swiss, as I pointed out. Despite being 70 years old, I mean, these were dusty and stiff, and I reconditioned them with repeated applications of saddle soap, and that brought them back to life. Did have an issue. One of these rivets come loose, and I took it into a leather shop, and the gentleman that repaired it for me remarked about how terrific the quality was on these gaiters. And he said I should always use saddle soap and not mink oil or any of the other softening products out there. I think a little bit of boot polish to brighten them up I applied here. But these take a nice shine. I think saddle soap is actually a kind of wax. Found another set. I think I only paid like 20 bucks for them. And I reconditioned them, and I sold them to another gentleman that likes to do Renaissance festivals. I've used these as part of a costume. These also probably have some steampunk applications. So there you have it. Swiss military vintage gaiters. And we close out and let you get back to the fun, frolic, and frivolity of the Funny Puppet Show.